friends, it's Maya coming to you with a new video, and this video is a new car tour. This is a Honda CRV. It's a 2011. The color is a little bit greenish bluish. I don't exactly know what color this is, but this is my new ride. Go. Okay, so yeah, so this is the ride. I will not tell you where about the car, only because the service that I received wasn't good. I don't even know if this car is a lemon. There's quite a few complaints that wasn't rectified. But however, I'm going to show you what the car looks like inside. Okay, so this is the ride. I'm just going to show you. It seats 5. Yeah, it seats 5. It's a pretty decent space. However, if you have more than 5 people that you're going to carry, that's going to be an issue. This is the space inside. This is the back area, and the seats folds down. The middle seat fold down for more storage, I guess. And you can flip that up. There's a holder for coffee or tea. And now I don't think it came with the original mats. However, we'll have to figure that out. Now, as I said, I won't tell you where I bought it because I would not recommend to go this place for love or money. So it's a Honda CRV, as I told you, 2011. And so this is the front seat. Slow down. This is the front area.